Ready to go. Entry team to top. It is good to go.
Now! Get on the
Secured.
ground now! Police, get
Talk
your hands
reporting.
up!
Great.
All right, everyone, need your attention. Operators just received a 911 call from an individual within an apartment complex in St. Uriel this morning, detailing a brewing hostage situation. It seems that Michael Williams has barricaded himself in his apartment along with his brother DeMarcus. He also shot and killed his mother, Cassandra Williams. The call was brief, but gave us information regarding his potential mental state.
Has anyone tried to regain contact with Michael?
The call bounced when attempted, and calls from negotiators outside have fallen on deaf ears. It sounds like Michael may be firing a weapon inside his room, and we've received multiple reports of gunfire from other individuals within the complex. The building has a single entry through the main atrium. There's also a second entry point through a fire escape nearby, which should allow quick access to the other levels without exposure to your teams within the atrium. The watch commander is on scene and has patrol holding perimeter positions. Thames is staging at the command post. Currently, they're awaiting our arrival to make entry, as the situation has been deemed dangerous, given no communication can be established.
Do we know of any other threats within this space?
Michael's apartment is number 14, and so far we've managed to confirm that rooms 16, 11, and 12 are all currently inhabited but closed off. Those residents have either been evacuated or are sheltering in place. However, we were unable to make contact with apartments 13 and 15, both of which are under the ownership of Michael Williams at this time. It is unknown if he is still barricaded with his family in 14 or has moved into one of the other rooms to ambush. We are not aware of any other threats. It seems to just be one guy. All right, let's roll.
I'm with you.
Talk to Element. Entry team. There may be one or multiple active shooters on site. Move quickly and clear the area.
Post up and provide cover. Roger. All teams. Good. Shotgun and flashes. Got it.
Don't let them in the room!
Police, get on the ground now! Police, police, get down! Threat down! Stay down and turn around.
You're in my way, sir. Need to talk. Suspect secure. Ready for pickup. Bag.
Talk reporting. Roger, entry team. Great work. Keep going.
Ready. Turn around. Keep your hands up.
This is Talk. Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
I just want to go home.
Entry team to talk. Lead to talk.
Copy, entry
Suspect
team.
is down.
Notifying trailers.
Post up and cover the area.
Roger. Damn it. Locked.
Kick it down. Bang the room.
Got it. Taking it down.
Now. Put it Drop the weapon. Get down now. Get down. Hands on your head. Do it now.
Going into cuff. Suspect ready to go. Entry team to top is good to go.
Now! Get on the
Secured.
ground, now! Police, get your
Talk
hands
reporting.
up!
Great
Hands
work,
up
entry team.
now!
Keep it up.
Stay on me. Get on the ground, now! Fall in behind me.
Got you, 6.
Going into cuff. Sit up.
Civilian is cuffed and good to go.
Down on the ground!
Whatever you say.
Cuff it. Suspect detained.
Turn around, keep your hands up. Stay down.
Have any weapons on you?
Just wait until my lawyer gets here.
We have a suspect in our custody.
Secured.
Talk to entry team.
Good to go.
Post up and cover the area.
Stacking.
Shit, it's locked. Blast that lock and throw in a stinger. Open it on the right here.
Drop it again. Your hand. It's down.
Grid is down.
Turn around slowly.
Nothing here, sir.
Got him.
Thanks.
You have the wrong house, man!
Keep the talk. Civilian is good to go.
You're good.
He's lying.
This is talk. Roger. Trailers inbound.
Talk. Bagging it up.
Talk to element. Copy that. Put him on safe and let him hang. Great job.